I'm back with yet another important question on leadership, and this one is, what do exceptional leaders do to motivate their employees? Option A, they recognize them. शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Option B, they give them performance linked incentives. जितना काम किया उतने rewards. Option C, they give them fixed rewards. What do you think is the right or are the right options that good leaders exercise? Friends, let's talk about option A first. They recognize them, they give them an applaud. शाबाश, कमाल कर दिया तुमने तो, बहुत बढ़िया काम, बेहतरीन. Friends, may I ask you something? How much effort or how much energy or how much money is lost in making this statement? शाबाश, कमाल कर दिया. कितने पैसे खर्च हुए? कितना एफर्ट लगा? All of us know it is so easy to applaud someone when he or she does great job, but we still do not use it. We are still so miser in saying a shabash, and good leaders use this tool very generously. बहुत खुला शाबाश देते हैं. Now there are few important things about using this word shabash. A, if you use this word or if you accolade in a closed room and tell this person कि ठीक है यार, बहुत बढ़िया काम करते हो, or write a personal email, that's still better than not doing anything. Rather than giving accolades publicly, people give feedback publicly. Feedback is something which has to be done one-on-one in a closed room. किसी को कमरे में बुला के बताइए what is the scope of improvement, what are the things they can do better, where is that they didn't meet your expectations. But such things Indian leaders do openly, and accolades which should be done publicly are rather kept privately, and therefore appreciation or recognition or shabash when done publicly can give miraculous results and should be used generously. Option A, Ahmedabad, recognition, accolades is absolutely the correct answer and should be utilized at the topmost position because it does not cost any money. Now let's talk about B, Bombay, giving performance linked incentives. आपने जब भी उसने अच्छा काम किया उसे शाबाश बोल दिया, शाबाश, कमाल कर दिया. Friends, it works up to a certain point, but not all the time. You can't use this endlessly without linking their performance to any incentives or monetary benefits. And therefore, my dear friends, good leaders make a balance between accolades at one side and performance-linked incentives on the other side. So, answer option B, Bombay, giving performance-linked incentives is also a crucial mechanism that good leaders choose to keep their employees motivated. More often than not, I have seen that giving fixed financial rewards does not work so well, because if you put a bar that everyone who crosses this bar will get this reward, then people work hard to reach there, but beyond that no one tries, and therefore you should allow everyone to exercise their creativity, their performance, their out-of-box thinking to the maximum extreme that they can. Option A and option B are the right answers. To conclude, option A, giving recognition, and option B, giving performance-linked incentives are the right approaches that good leaders do, but option A should always be exercised as much as possible before going to option B.